Holiday peeps, we're here at the Denver Museum of Nature and Science. Say holiday peeps, Wyatt.
Holiday peeps.
Holiday peeps, everyone. Holiday peeps. There's Chad. We see our boy again.
Hi, Messi.
Yeah, so there's Anna. Okay, that's just a sword. All right, so here we are. We're going to the Denver Zoo. I mean, Denver Zoo. The Nature and Science. They're gonna go see the dinos. I'll put on our mask, all right? So here we go, peeps. Let's go inside. All right, peeps, here we are. So we're gonna get in line. Well, those guys will be in line to get our tickets. I'll just wait here. So peeps, welcome. See you inside. Inside, peeps. Excited to be here. I'm gonna watch an IMAX first, so that way you get excited, so you can venture around and get a little bit of history before we see history. All right? Press it. Yeah. This is what they believe or they think the Loch Ness Monster is. Alright, peeps. Of course, you know what that is. Alright, so here we go. We're going into the IMAX theater. Popcorn. Ooh, yeah. I want popcorn and I want everything too. Oh, peeps, look at that. It's way up there. I got my popcorn. Now I have the campers. I don't know what it is. Just a bunch of interactive stuff. Peeps, you can't see me, but I'm in the stars. I'm in space somewhere. Oh, there goes the rover behind us. Alright, peeps. I'll see you at our next excursion. Yeah. Is that the new one or no? That's not the one with the drone? Yeah, alright, peeps. It's really a small museum, so there's a lot of space. That's all I can say. It's a lot of space unless I'm not where I need to be. But yeah, there's a lot of space. Wyatt and Kyle, are you guys having fun? That's good. Okay, we're going to the prehistoric section now. It's up there. Oh yeah, let's just go in. Diversity in the sea 400 million years ago. I'm above you. Some dinosaurs. Let's see it when we get down there. Honey, there's no actual dinosaur. Stegosaurus. Fight to the finish. That's these guys. And of course there's the Brontosaurus right above me. What kind of dinosaur is that one, Wyatt?
Do I know?
I thought you knew your dinosaurs.
I don't know if it's even there.
Duckbills. So that's a duckbill. Okay, peeps, just for reference purposes, look at my hand. Look at that. Ground level with the Brontosaurus. Pterodactyl. All these specimens were found here. So far what I've gathered from Jesse reading to these guys. Look, a turtle.
Count how many rhinos.
Can you count on the skeletons?
No.
Then you count how many rhinos are in this pile. Oh, this one here. This one? What's up?
over. Almost there. Look at giant wild pig. It's a rhinoceros. There's the great mammoth. I gotta find my crew. Well, I think this completes the excursion to the zoo. We just wanted to come and see the fossils of the dinosaur. So now we're gonna head out. See you guys on our next destination. We're looking at what people are eating downstairs to decide whether we're gonna eat here at the museum, which, no.